Welcome folks to another episode of Up Close and Personal here at the Bend Dragway. We got another episode coming that's full of brand new construction. Now, we've got the best lighting technology we believe in the world, maybe here, that you're going to see when we open up. So thanks to VALO for their technologies and showcasing it here at the Bend Dragway. And not to forget, Deadshot, who have made all this happen with 45 light poles. So let there be light! All right, we're back on ground level. How beautiful does this all look with the light towers up now? I mean, the light's just going to be unbelievable. Just to my right here, you can see there's work progressing on the control tower. We'll bring you more up to date as that progresses in the next week or so. But there's been a lot more happened since the last time we had an episode, and that really is here in the Group 1 pit area. I mean, check this out. It is all asphalted now. So it's all getting ready to go to start being line marked later. But what a great expansive area for the racers to come in. It's a blessing for us here in South Australia. So there's plenty more for us to show you. Let's go and have a look at the scrutineering shed, which is well underway now, which the racers are going to appreciate. But here's one I prepared earlier. The pavers we've been talking about, they're slowly starting to roll in. If you haven't bought yours yet to be part of history here at the Dragway, then get online, get it now, and let's go and have a look at the scrutineering shed because it's quite impressive. All right, we're here at the scrutineering shed, or we're actually at the exit of the scrutineering shed. So as you can see to the right here, this is where the weigh scales will be going. So if you need to be weighed, you'll be coming through after your run, set on the weigh scales, and then come through. And the beauty about this is you can access straight out to wherever your pit area is. Inside the building, I mean, this is massive. I mean, it's a huge building. We're going to have an area down the back here where you will come and check in when you first get here to get your passes, your wristbands. This is a fantastic area for racers to gather. The officials will be in here, so yeah, this is a real testimony, and the flow is beautiful. So that's a quick look at the Group 1 pit area that's been asphalted since our last video. Obviously the scrutineering shed now up and running. All the fit out needs to be done shortly, and progress is happening. Thanks for joining us again, folks, for another episode here at the Bend Dragway. As you can see, plenty happening, and we're getting closer and closer. Don't forget to join us at the next episode coming up shortly. We got some real exciting news, some unique launches, something for the punters. You're going to love it. Have a good day.